Go to Settings and click Wi-Fi. From Connected Wi-Fi, tap the info icon. Scroll down to find the router number. Copy the number. Go to Browser and paste the number. And search. Then you will see a Wi-Fi portal directly. Input your username and your password to log in. Once you log in, go to Device Settings. Then click Wi-Fi Settings. Go to SSID Settings. Finally, you will find your network name and your password. To see password, click Display Password. And now you will see your password. To change password, click on Passphrase and change the password. You can easily change the password by inputting your desired password to your Wi-Fi. Then click Apply. After that, you have successfully changed your Wi-Fi password using your mobile. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Until next time, see ya!